This is a step-by-step on how to get your CDL in California. Step 1. Make a DMV appointment. You go to your Safari, then you open Google, and then you type in DMV appointments. You click the first tab, and there it goes. Just scroll down a little bit and put commercial. Select, put in your driver's license number, your birth date, and make an appointment. The second thing you could do is Google your nearest DMV and call them. And is that easy? Step 2. Practice the DMV questions. Either download the DMV Genie app or get the DMV handbook and read it. And practice some practice questions. Step 3. Before you go to a DMV, make sure you have your proper paperwork. You need 2 proofs of addresses, your ID, and your birth certificate. And pass the questions. Step 4. Google a trucking school near you, sign up, practice, and they will take care of the rest. They will sign you up to a DMV appointment, a driving test, and that's it. And there you go. That's the steps 1 through 4 of how to get your CDL. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave in the comments, concerns, leave them in the comments.